Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll share some useful tips for working with the session player in Logic Pro. Tip 1. Creating a beat with the session player is simple, but sometimes you'll want changes that the sliders can't provide. In that case, you can convert the session player region to a MIDI region for full editing control. Just keep in mind that once you make this conversion, you can't turn it back into a session player region. Tip 2. When you add arrangement sections like intro, verse, chorus, and bridge to the timeline, Logic will automatically create matching session player regions for each section whenever you add a new session player track. This means it not only generates parts for drums, piano, or bass, it also adjusts the complexity to fit each section, with verses typically being simpler and choruses more energetic. Tip 3. You can make your session player parts feel even tighter by using the Follow Track option. When you click on the pattern buttons, you'll see the option to choose a track for the session player to follow. This makes the player adapt its timing, groove, and overall feel to that selected track. In my screen recording, the piano is set to follow the drums. This means the piano automatically locks into the drum groove, creating a much more cohesive and rhythmically connected performance without any manual adjustments. And that's it. Have fun and keep creating.